Swabs are another way to clean pipe. They are polyurethane foam plugs, slightly larger than the pipes they are placed into, then forced through with water pressure. Swabs can remove slime, soft scale, and loose sedimentation, but not hardened tuberculation. Unfortunately, swabs wear out quickly and must be frequently replaced. Swabbing procedures vary, but here are the basics. Notify the public and shut off the system. Install the equipment at entry and exit points to send and receive the swabs. Isolate the water main. Open the water valves upstream to send the swab and control speed. Using a pitot gauge, estimate the flow rate or meter on the inlet supply. Note the entry time, estimate the time of exit, and await the swab. If the swab becomes stuck, reverse the flow and time the return to determine the blockage location. Repeat swab runs until water becomes clear within 1 minute following the run. Always account for all of the swabs used. A typical cleaning operation will take from 10 to 20 swabs. Do a final flush to clear all swab particles. Pigs are stiff, bullet-shaped foam plugs that, like swabs, are forced through the main by water pressure. They differ from swabs, though, as they are denser and less flexible, but more durable. Pigs can remove more encrusted deposits, but their construction limits their ability to move through bends and fittings. There are 3 basic ways of inserting a cleaning pig into a main. One is to use a special pig launcher attached to a fire hydrant with the valve removed. For this method, an external water source is required. This can either be a fire hose connected to a hydrant that is not in the isolated section, or by a high-pressure pump connected to an independent water supply. Another method is to use an oversized spool inserted into the main line. Additionally, a Y section may be inserted into the line. After the pig has been forced into the main, it will be pushed along by water pressure from the distribution system. Pigging procedures will vary depending upon the condition of the pipeline, sections to be cleaned, and the type of pig used. The general procedure for pigging includes notify the public and shut off the system, install launching and retrieval equipment, isolate the water main to be cleaned and make sure all gate valves on the main to be cleaned are open, make provisions to control surges, open the water supply upstream to launch the pig, time the pig and determine correct valve settings for desired speed, control speed with downstream blow-off valve. Average speeds are 1 to 5 feet per second or 0.3 to 1.5 meters per second. Pigs traveling too fast will not clean as effectively and wear out quicker. Avoid sudden speed changes or stops. Always account for all used pigs. Run the final flush until the water runs clear.